Hi friends, this video shows how to permanently remove Bluetooth earphone from this phone. Here you can see I have connected this OnePlus Buds 4 to this Samsung phone. So let me go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go to connections, tap on Bluetooth. So here you can see OnePlus Buds 4 is connected, see the status connected. So I am going to permanently remove this OnePlus Buds 4 from this Samsung phone. Tap on the settings icon, tap here. And here you can see Unpair, tap on Unpair, then tap on Unpair. Done. So this way we can permanently remove this OnePlus Buds 4 from this Samsung phone. Later if you want to reconnect, first we need to put this device in pairing mode. Press and hold this button. Now this light is flashing, that means now this device in pairing mode. Tap on scan. Here you can see OnePlus Buds 4, tap here. Now it's pairing. Tap on pair. See, connected. See the status, connected for calls and audio, 100% battery remaining. So this way we can permanently remove, then reconnect. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.